Hey, queens and kings, welcome back to another episode of It's DLove's 50+ Life. Come along with me, guys, because we're going to have a conversation with a familiar face back to another familiar place. Follow along with me, because it's going to be a grand day.
Heal your body, mind, and soul. From the inside to the outside. Heal your body, mind, and soul. From the inside to the outside.
I guess that's out. We gotta let the rain stop. Okay, guys. I made a trip to the Muddy Laundry. It is Sunday, June the 14th. But y'all, guess what? It's raining on a Sunday. Let me show you what it's looking like. It's pouring down. I was just about to put some stuff in the car. No, sirree. Y'all, it's pouring down. But it feels good, y'all, because it was so hot. It's like 80, about 85, 90 degrees here in Georgia. All right, I'm going back in the building. Are drying, y'all. Today so many people are washing their clothes. It's ridiculous. I came in, it was just 3 washers available, and me and my son had to wait just a few minutes, but we did use the 3 that were available. These are my clothes here. That's my comforters. My color clothes. And my dark colors. I think the rain has stopped. So I'm gonna try once again to go out to my car, put some extra stuff in the trunk. Here goes. Okay, y'all, the rain stopped. I knew it wasn't gonna last long, but hey. Let's hope my clothes don't fall off this basket here. My car got a good car wash. It surely did. All right, let's get the doors open. I just wanted to put my detergent in the car because this box is heavy. And look at that, I weighed some earlier. Anyway, this is oh, I'm so glad it rained. It cooled down out here. Lord, thank you. We needed that. Needed that rain. So y'all, these are my clothes that I normally hang up when I get home, because if you wash them or put them in a dryer, they shrink. So I'm just gonna put them in the car. I don't think they're gonna get too muggy here. Sorry, I am being a little lazy, but I'll come back and put them in a bag. Yep. There we go. Let's go back in the building. I'm so glad they're not playing music out here. I didn't think they would. It is a Sunday. They say you're supposed to be resting on Sunday or either going to church. I'm not doing either one. But I gotta wash these clothes and get them done. You can use it if you need it. Okay. You remember me from last time? You don't. Remember you helped me with the dryer. Oh. That's so sweet. Yeah, guys, she helped me last time. She ain't here today. So how you been doing? Okay. You been doing good? Yes. Good, yeah. Running. Huh? I say running like always. Yeah, me too. Just been busy, you know? Yeah. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised to see all these people in here today. Well, everybody's got to watch during the week. We got everything to during the week. Always like this. Always like this. I've never seen it like this before. No? Not this pack. All the time when I come have a lot. Really? Wow. You guys have everything ready, you know? Yeah, it's good. good thing. Right, me too. I be tired coming from work, being all that traffic. It tired me out more.
In my life, when you say I'm the one, so easy to love.
So glad it rained a little bit out there. It cooled down a little bit.
In my life, when you say I'm the one, so easy to love.
Yeah, me too.
Easy to love, yeah, I can even focus on sleeping.
I prefer it
You're
too.
so pretty every day.
Yeah.
Baby, could you help me? 'Cause I'm freezing. If it wants to serious,
I
'cause
think they got the best washers and dryers.
say that you will love me every night and day. And I promised you that I would do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love.
Hey queens and kings. Yes, so I'm sitting here waiting for my clothes to dry, but it's getting kind of hot and I'm getting a little restless. So I'm gonna walk away in a little bit. It's been a beautiful day. I'm glad it rained, and hey, it's just been a good day so far. So this is just a simple life of an independent gospel artist. Yes ma'am, yes sir. But it's hot up in here. I'm sweating, I'm getting bored, and I'm getting a little tired of waiting. So I decided to go next door to get something to drink to cool off a bit. I am in the store next door to the washer, looking at some of these clothing. There's more quality clothes now. And I need to get me something cold to drink, guys. Cute little dress. I need to get me a couple of these. Come back and get some. Let's see how much are they. 15. Okay. Let's get something cold to drink. Oh, here I'm looking for some casual to put on with what I got on. They got Crocs, little sandals, slide-ins, flip-flops. Okay, where's the cold stuff? Pieces. Look like they have stocked their food up. They got some mango passion. I remember getting that. It's got 0 sugar. Cool. Let's check the expiration date.
best before July 24. It should be, wait a minute. Let me see what this is. Orange pineapple. I ought to get lemonade. See how much sugar in here. Ooh, 27 grams. This says 0 sugar, so we're gonna do good with the Minute Maid. Ouch. Should have got a basket. Let's get a basket. There we go. Y'all got any little canvas tennis shoes? Like slip-ins? Tennis, like the little small canvas tennis. Y'all don't have no tennis? So y'all just got sandals and flip-flops? Sandals and flip-flops, is that all you have? Okay. Alright, let's get some chips. I'm getting hungry now. Where's my basket? Barbecue. Maybe that one I might need to get. I don't mind having some onion rings. Haven't had that in a while. There's some veggie chips. That's a small bag though, huh? Oh, here's the Funyuns. Ooh, they $4 a bag. Okay, they 2 for $6. Garlic sauce. Dill pickle. Go ahead. Get the dill pickle. good mind frame. All I can say is Lord help. Lord help. I'm on my way home, and y'all, these cars just, still don't know what to do on a Sunday. I'm like, really? Hi, people. Yeah, I'm in my car. Drop these clothes off, and I may go somewhere else today, y'all. I might go to the mall, do a little walking around. I know the last time I went to the laundromat, I said I was going to the mall, but I didn't. I ended up going to the store. So let's go to the mall. We might have to do some ass shopping. Oh, guys, I made it home. I got out them tinnies. I'm gonna relax just a little bit, and I still plan to go to the mall. As you can see, my bags and stuff are sitting here in the floor. Yep, got the fan going and the AC. And when I say it's hot, y'all, it is hot. So I'm gonna relax just a little bit, kind of cool down some before I leave back out. And I'm gonna change my clothes too. Alrighty.